and Janelle with Remax. I'm in one of Vancouver's hidden gems, the Hastings Sunrise neighborhood at 2366 Wall Street. And we have a great one-bedroom suite to show you. It's been fully updated and there's a private patio. The building's also just gone through a full rain screening. I'm excited to show you. Come on in. This home is ready for you to move in. It's filled with charm and style. Both the kitchen and the bathrooms have been nicely renovated, and there's updated flooring throughout. There's also a beautiful brick wall that adds some unique character. The highlight of this home is this private south-facing patio. It's a perfect place to relax, bask in the sun, garden, and entertain friends. If you want to call this home yours, give us a call and we'll set up a private showing. See you next time.